My name is Jerry Gnerre. I had my left hip replaced at NAO. This whole thing happened because I've been lifting weights all my life competitively. About 3 years ago, I had started having really bad pain in my left hip, and it got to the point where I couldn't tie my shoe or put my sock on or anything like that. And I kept babying it and taking the anti-inflammatories. I mean, I was eating those things like candy. And then actually, after 3 years, just one day, I had enough. The pain was unbearable at most times. The 2 days before the surgery, and even walking into the hospital on the 29th, it hurt more than it ever hurt before. And it actually hurt more when I walked in than when I walked out 8 hours later. My left hip feels just as good as it was ever before. I can't live without coming into the weight room. It's all about beating nature, especially Mother Nature and getting old. I can still do 20 pull-ups. I can still do a lot of stuff I couldn't do before. I'm not bulletproof like I used to be, but I mean, in most cases, it's been a way of life for me and for my wife. I'm stronger now than I was before the surgery.